Hello students, in this particular video we are going to study about the lesson number 6, that is the tertiary economic activity, which is in subject geography for standard 12th science. So let us start with the first question. The tertiary activities includes dash. Options are use of natural resources, finished product, raw material and transportation. So the right answer is transportation, because raw material and natural resources are used in primary activities and finished product is the output of the secondary activity. So only the transportation belongs to the tertiary activity. Next question. Natural ports are, option is Kochi, JNPT, Delhi International Cargo Terminal, Nagpur Cargo Hub, Mihan. So the right answer is Kochi, because it is a natural port which has created because of an obstacle which comes in between, and because of that a port is created on those places. Next question. Trans-Australian Railway connects. Options are Perth, Sydney, Perth, Vladivostok, Sydney, Vancouver and Vancouver, Vladivostok. So the right answer for this particular question is Perth, Sydney. Next question. Dash economic activity involve work related to administrative character. So the options are culinary, primary, secondary and tertiary. So the right answer for this particular question is culinary, because culinary relates with the work of all administrative works, in which political works also comes with a decision making power. Next question. Now in recent times we use telephone, mobiles and internet to dash. So the options are transport, communicate, agriculture and manufacturing. So the right answer is to communicate. So all these are the devices or the mediums by which we can communicate with other people. Next question. The dash in space work for communication day and night. Options are radar, scientist, weather forecast team and satellites. So the right answer is satellites, which is located in a space, and because of which we can understand the work of all the things which goes on throughout the day as well as night. Next question. Dash may cause or stop international trade. Options are government policies, political factors, social factors and economic factors. So any type of international trade is totally dependent on how is the relationship of one country with another country. So the government policy can make a change in it. It has the total right to make a change in it, and with the help of it you can do a trade with the international company. So the right answer is the government policies. So anytime a government can take a decision and it can stop a trade with a particular country. Next question. The dash does not have tea plantation. So UK is a country where the tea is not grown at all. So it is totally absent. So the United Kingdom does not have tea plantation. Next question. Not all coastal areas can be good port. State whether true or false. So this thing is totally true, because all the coastal areas cannot be a good port. A port can be good only at the broken coastal line. So this is, not all coastal areas can be a good port. So this is true. Next question. Dash is a service or a facilities through which the passengers, fringed and industrial products are carried from one place to another place. So agriculture, service, transportation and hunting. So the right answer for this particular question is transportation. So with the help of transportation, which is a service, a person can relocate from one place to another place. So this is all about the assignment regarding lesson number 6, tertiary economic activity.